Tinubu wife don tok say nobody go fit divide Nigeria. No be now wey im dey enjoy as a president wife, the first lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now una dey plan to divide dis country. Say nobody go fit try am. As dat one dey happen, they say that there is a seaport working right now in One, which is in Rivers State, known as Iguacha. That said that the seaport there now is working with the help of Ibeto and other group that joined hand together to make it happening in Biafra land. My people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time when they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. This one na sharp. We will quickly jump inside the matter. Please share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn the notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person where you go to get our updates. Do not forget also to follow us on TikTok. We're there for YouTube, we're there for Facebook, we're there everywhere, Instagram. Okay, my people, let's jump inside this matter. The matter what we get for our hand today. You know, say Tinubu wife make comment to say that nobody go fit divide this country. Nobody, no be now where your husband be president, now na go divide the country. So as this one, I'm going to show you the reaction of people for inside street as he make this statement.
First Lady of Nigeria, Tinubu, who said not under her husband's watch will Nigeria be divided, that no power can divide Nigeria as far as they are alive and they remain in Aso Rock. Your take on this?
I love about it because to me, I think she was just cracking a joke. It was a joke, and perhaps a person like me, I don't share issue with the Tinubu. Why? Because I look at her as a baby that is sucking a breast from her mother. It will be until when she grow up and mature, then before she can join the elders and share issues. So she has no knowledge over what is happening in Nigeria. So, so with this now, she's a baby. So with that statement, then there's no way you can take her serious. You don't take her serious. Yes, because in the issue of dividing Nigeria, we have. I know how far that we have gone. Even as it is done, a blind man can see that Nigeria is being divided already. Yes. So that is my text.
But what is happening?
With what is on ground, a blind is enough for a blind man to know that Nigeria has been divided. Yes. So what left is just that little thing for those that are willing to walk away from Nigeria to get their sovereignty and live. Yes. Because how can you imagine a situation in a country that is not fighting war? Its citizens cannot feed. They cannot make movement. A heartless government like Nigeria, then somebody like we open our mouth to say that Nigeria will not be divided under our watch. They say so. Who is she deceiving? So you don't allow such people to talk when you are talking. That's why I say she's a baby. She doesn't know what is going on.
Okay, you mean the disintegration of Nigeria is just a matter of days, and the president has nothing he can do about it?
Nobody can stop it. You see, if you watch the statement of our leader, the Excellency Mercy Nnamdi Kanu, he said on his interview, they were asking him, is it anything Nigerian government can do to resolve what is on ground? He said there is nothing. He said, come rain, come sun. He said nothing. And that is where we stand. That is where we stand. Nothing can stop Nigerian disintegration. It's a must, and it's a tax that must be done.
Yeah. Tax that must be done. And heaven will not fall.
No, if you like heaven fall, we are equal to the tax. The Biafrans are equal to the tax. But heaven will not fall.
I hope she will be able to hear this position. And that is the representation of the people's position.
I wish she come across this interview so that she will know that people on the street are serious over Nigerian disintegration. We are not playing over it. Yes.
Wow.
We are not playing over it. Go to Bakassi and see what is happening. Go to Imo State and see what is happening. Go to Ebonyi and see what is happening. So, at whose expense are we suffering all this in? So, she's just sitting down in a free duplex inside a free car. Then she doesn't know what is going on. You understand me? She doesn't know what is going on.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video. My people, I want you to share this video as it don't be like this now. Like say everywhere don't red. My people, I'm going to show you wetin dey go on for inside Biafra land now for State Seâport. They say that place now be like say it don dey walk go. Oh, things are going to be happening. Good things are going to be happening very soon. Let me show you the video. May you watch. Our people don't realize say the only way na to carry their property, to carry their akonomba, everything they come back for inside Biafra land. Watch this video.
Container terminal WACT on air has commenced its barging operations partnership with the Beto Terminal and Port at the Port Harcourt Port in Rivers State. Now, the country CEO of APM Terminals, owners of WACT, says the intention behind the partnership is to improve satisfaction for their customers.
Major operations are ongoing at the West African Container Terminal, WACT, on Port, as the company is set to commence a partnership deal with Ibeto Terminal and Port at the Port Harcourt Port. WACT is a subsidiary of APM Terminals, and their partnership with Ibeto Terminals and Ports will see them moving containers from Onne to Port Harcourt by barge, as opposed to the trucking method currently in operation. Members of the APM Terminals management team explain why the Ibeto group was chosen.
The reason why we picked Ibeto is by the time we got there, we saw what is on ground. We saw the owner of the facility. In fact, we saw APMT spirit in him because he has the passion. He has the drive.
At APM Terminals, our purpose is to improve the life for all. Right? And to find a way to bring the cargo closer to the customer, to bring this import and export and empty containers closer to the customer, and to avoid him the hassle of trekking those containers by the road to Onne is a real pleasure.
On his part, the country's CEO of APM Terminals says this is a culmination of months of negotiation between both organizations.
For a couple of years, where we've been working with our shipping line partners as well as Ibeto to develop a product that enhances the offering that we have here from the terminal, so that the customers can choose between taking delivery of their containers through the traditional way, through trucking, or using the barge, thereby bypassing some sometimes difficult road conditions.
The management of Ibeto Group is also upbeat about the deal.
This has been a long-awaited project that has finally finalized. So the whole if, when, how, it's all over, because we are in the business now. Like you see, there is already something working. It's not when, how would it go. So it is a groundbreaking partnership, and we're happy to be there.
With the signing of the MOU between both organizations, it is expected that there will now be seamless barging of containers from Onne Port to the Ibeto Seaport for swift delivery to their final destinations.
It's now time for some business news with Joker Rogers.
My wonderful people, welcome back. I beg, I want you drop your own opinion as you take there for your mind for inside comment section, and make sure say you share this video for more updates. Do not forget to share so that other people go to follow up wetin dey happen for inside the matter, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Very important, so you go to help us. They create more content, they bring more information for you. May they know wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria, inside Biafra land, and for inside Africa. We dey everywhere, they bring you updates back to back. Okay, my wonderful people, go quickly see you for inside comment section. Now there we go talk about this video, so may you go run immediately, go drop your own opinion for inside that place. Thank you so much for watching.